important part of English point and some words and some sentences which is used in our daily use speaking. About that, I am going to discuss in this session, and you will have to answer to me of my every given words. You will have to tell into Hindi. I hope you will answer to me. And which word I am to ask you? That word I am to ask to you in a common word, not in very difficult word. I am to discuss the front of you. Then are you ready?
Yeah.
To answer me?
Yeah.
Okay. Then first I am going to ask of you. You tell me what is the English of bhindi?
Okra.
Okra.
Yeah.
Also, what is called of that in another name?
Gumbo, and this is Fraser word is a lady's finger.
Very good. I think you are knowing three
Yeah.
words about of this bhindi.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question I am going to have to you. Do you know the English of jhinga?
Yeah.
What is the English of jhinga?
Long gourd, ice gourd, green gourd.
Okay. Long gourd, red gourd, and
green gourd.
green gourd. And I have written a few about 4 or 5. Understand?
Yeah.
Also, you can say that luha, you can say red gourd, you can say sapen gourd, smoothen gourd, and also you can say that silky gourd.
Yeah.
There are so many names of that jhinga,
Yeah.
and you can know to very well about of these. Okay.
Yeah.
Second things I am going to ask of you. Do you know the English of parval, which you say in common word in Hindi?
Yeah.
Portal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is, a special word of pointed gourd.
Okay, this is called in English pointed gourd.
Yeah.
Great. And do you know the English of kakdi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A snake gourd.
A snake gourd.
Yeah.
Very good. And what is English of parol?
Parol.
Yeah.
A spongy gourd.
Okay. Also that is called, I think, one more in the other kinds of the things.
Yeah.
So is that is called.
Yeah.
Understand or not? Okay. Do you know more and more vegetable name?
Yeah. More vegetable.
Okay. What is called of that? If I will have to say boda, then what can I say the English of boda?
Boda. Pericarp.
And also that is called coffee.
Coffee.
Understand or not?
Yeah.
Okay. More in the other words, just I am going to have to you, which is used in our daily use speaking. That basic word I am to discuss upon that you. Okay.
Yeah.
What is English of vegan?
Then aubergine and
Okay,
eggplant.
aubergine. And also eggplant, that is called in our Frasier word.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Do you know English of bandakobi?
Bandakobi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kale.
Okay. Okay. Kale and
Carrot.
and also that is called what?
Cabbage. Cabbage.
And more any other word can you say?
No. More another one I don't know.
Normal, which is called?
Not all.
Uh,
I don't know.
you have never heard of this matter.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one again I am to ask. Do you know English of fulgobi?
Yeah.
Okay, what is English of fulgobi?
Cauliflower or the broccoli.
Okay, broccoli means this becomes different kinds of the cauliflower,
Yeah.
and that name has given. But also you can say that broccoli.
Yeah.
Understand or not?
Yeah.
The species of cauliflower that is different. Okay. Do you know what is English of Simla mirch?
Simla mirch. What I know.
Yeah. Capsicum.
Capsicum.
Great.
Yeah.
Do you know English of koda?
Koda.
There are lots of words. Okay, there are lots of words. Say escort
Escort.
and
I have not.
futaba god.
Futaba god I have written.
You have written futaba god.
Yeah,
But I think this one was going from your memory.
Yeah, because this word I have not used.
This one you have not used. That's why
Yeah.
this is not living just currently in your mind.
Yeah, one
But I will tell of you whatever thing you are looking in your home.
Yeah.
All words you try to search out in your
Yeah.
mind is these words are really inside of my mind or not.
Yeah.
If on mind say that I don't know this kinds of the word, then you try to remember and you try to use while speaking. Then these sort of the words will not be gone from your memory, from your mind. Okay.
Yeah.
And whatever thing you want to speak, just from your tongues that will come out and that will be bestful for you while speaking. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then third points more I am going to ask of you about of animals.
Animals.
Basic animal names I think you are knowing well.
Basic animals.
It's a common word as bakri, what is called in English, goat,
Yeah. Yeah.
elephant. You are knowing well.
Yeah, but
If I will ask of you other word of goat,
And I
In
mean,
synonym, what is called that?
synonym. I mean, I have not written this word because that time I was not
Also, that is called that Jenny. What is called?
Jenny.
No,
No,
that is Nani. What is called?
Nani.
Nani. Okay. S means
S means
Gadha.
Gadha. Yes.
Okay. If I will have to say female S, then what can I say that? Jackets.
Jackets.
And also we can say that in a common word in English, Jenny. What we can say?
Jenny.
What is Jenny? What is called?
Jenny.
Okay. Do you know the English of Khachar?
Khachar.
Mule. What is?
Mule.
Mule. Okay. If I have to say Khachari female, then what shall I say in English of that Khachari?
Mule.
No. Hini. That is called what?
Hini.
Hini. Understood? And what is English of Bhaisa?
Bhaisa.
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Male buffalo.
Male.
Okay. And also voice. What can you say?
I mean,
Means voice English. What can you say?
buffalo.
Buffalo also.
Yeah.
But synonym can you say?
No.
What is called that? Bubalis.
Bubali.
Understand or not? Also from other word that is called. Okay. Do you know English of Billy?
Billy.
Yeah.
Cat and one more that is
Means you are knowing synonym.
yeah.
But now this time from our mind that is going.
Yeah.
Okay, well. But Bilal English, if anybody who will ask for it, then what will you take? It is a big problem.
Yeah.
That is called tomcat. What is called?
Tomcat.
Great. Good. What is English of kutta?
Kutta, dog. And,
Dog you can say.
yeah.
If anybody who will ask of you what is English of kutia?
Beach.
Very good. If anyone who will ask of you the English of lomdi, then what will you say?
Lomdi.
Yeah.
Fox.
Fox. If anyone again will ask of you what is English of means of female fox, then what will you tell of that in English? Vixen. What is called?
Vixen.
Vixen. I think you have not written such type of the word. That's why you are unable to answer to me.
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't matter, but you will have to remember of these all sort of the word because in our village area, in our rural area, these kinds of the things and these kinds of the animals we get for looking. Understanding or not?
Yeah.
So we should know that if we will know, we will not know about these kinds of the words, then we will be stuck while speaking. Understanding?
Yeah.
So while speaking, we should not start. But speaking means some people say, what you know, you speak to very fastly or anything, but speaking, you are taking to very fast motion. It is not good way. Understanding or not? You speak as the people can understand to very well. Understanding? If you are speaking to very fastly and no many people are understanding a lot of our communication skills, then really our speaking became to what? Worthless. So actually, no any speaker should speak like of any unknown language. Understanding?
Yeah.
You speak as the people can understand to very well.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am going to discuss about our daily use sentences.
Yeah.
And you will have to answer to me very well later. Okay.
Yeah.
Then if I have to say मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ, then what shall I say of this sentence in English?
Now I am coming.
Very good. मुझे अभी जाना है.
Now I have to go.
Okay. मुझे अभी ट्यूशन जाना है.
Now I have to go tuition.
Okay. मुझे किताब पढ़ना है.
I have to read book.
किसी तरह से मुझे पढ़ना है.
किसी तरह से
मुझे पढ़ना है. Yeah. Somehow.
Somehow I have to read.
Okay. थोड़ा बहुत वो जानता है.
Something he don't.
Okay. Also you can say that means थोड़ा थोड़ा.
So.
Also you can say means somewhat.
Somewhat.
Understanding or not? Somewhat he's knowing. Also somewhat I'm knowing.
Yeah.
Okay. हल्का फुल्का मैं जानता हूँ.
हल्का फुल्का. Somewhat I know.
Also you can say that very light. Understanding or not?
This-
Very light. Very light.
Very light. This main structure I have not.
Okay. Means you should remember of also this kinds of the word. If you remember, then it will help of you while speaking. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And किसी भी कीमत पर मैं गाऊंगा.
किसी भी कीमत पर
मैं गाऊंगा.
at any rate I shall go.
Very good. But you have need to practice too much about this sort of a structure. If anyone who will ask of you at once, you try to answer. Okay. Then from your experience comes from our practice.
Yeah.
As you will practice, so you get. If you not practice, you can't get off according of course experience.
Yeah.
So as much as you have power in your body, you try to use up the whole energy, the back of practicing, the back of making experience. Then you will become to experienceful a student. Understand?
Yeah.
That is called that in this world, nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
If you want to get up any kinds of a thing, then you can get after doing to a struggle. And if you not do struggle, and if you want to get of those kinds of the things, really that will not come just in your life.
Yeah.
Understanding? That's why there is called right. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होती, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Understanding? If you are wanting to get of that, friends, you will not have to go through of this leg, through of this body. You will have to go with willing power. Understanding or not?
Yeah.
If your willing power is very great, you can do of anything which you want. What you are thinking this time for getting, you can get from easily way. Understood? And there are so many motivational points about that. If you know, then really our mind will be very awareness the back for completing of any kinds of the things. Okay. Today I felt very nice to talking with you, but now I am going to call to another student, and I have discussed just with this with another student. Okay. Let's you can go on place. And now I am going to discuss with Neetu Kumari. Please you come on the seat. Please quickly come. Okay, let's take place. Today also I have to discuss with you some daily use words or sentences you will have to answer to me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then first sentence I am going to ask of you. Gaya gaya gaya.
Gaya went there.
Gaya went to
Yeah.
gaya. Great. If anyone who will ask of you more popular words and more popular sentences, the oldest persons used to ask like this question. छबू की छत पे 6 दिन से 6 सुंदर चटवारा. If anyone who will ask of you like this question, then how you answer? Do you know that? For sorry, छबू की छत पे 6 दिन से 6 सुंदर चटवारा. First we have to recognize here in this sentence means in which part of the tense is it coming. Okay, then you recognize that and you solve this sentence instantly without stucking, without muddling, and you will not have to answer to me piggly. You will have to answer to me exactly correct, because I have taught of you many times such type of the sentences of you. Okay, then tell me. छाबू के छत पे 6 दिन से 6 सुंदर चटवारा है. First you search out in the sentence who is my main subject. छाबू के छत पे 6 दिन से 6 सुंदर चटवारा है. What is subject in the sentence?
छबू के छत.
छाबू के छत पे, this is my subject.
Yes.
I think this is wrong. I think
6 small is subject.
6 small, that is subject.
Yeah.
But you are telling that छाबू के छत. I have doubt of you for recognizing of subject, object, verb. Even if you are mistaking in telling that, it's not good. Understand or not? I think you have sit in the front of the camera. That's why you are muddling. But you have not need to keep up your mind the way of camera. You have to keep up your mind exact on those topics, on that topic, which topics about you have to answer. Okay? Then छबू की छत पे 6 दिन से 6 सुंदर चटवारा है. What is subject in this sentence?
6 small
Yeah.
has been.
Has been. Why? Because there is coming to being plural 6. Then you are using your 6 means has you are using of singular verb. Then what will become there? 6 malls have.
The 6 small have been
Yeah.
mauling
on
the Chabu church.
the roof of.
On the roof of Chabu.
Okay. From how many days?
6.
For 6 days.
Yeah.
Okay. Another sentence I am going to ask to you. घोड़ा सड़क पर अड़क कर भड़क गया.
The horse stopped on the road and fled.
Okay, the horse literally stopping on the road. Great, you have solved that sentence with exactly correct. Now I am going to have another sentence, which is very popular sentence in our past perfect tense. Past perfect tense about. I am going to discuss to giving of you some sentences. About that you will have to listen carefully and you have to answer to me exactly. We understand? Then you tell to me. डॉक्टर आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. डॉक्टर आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. In this sentence, first we have to recognize that what is happening to first in this. डॉक्टर आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था.
the patient,
Yeah, good.
the patient
Uh,
had died
Before
before coming doctor.
before the doctor came.
Before the doctor came.
Understand or not? Then where do you keep the minds? While I'm saying, also you are not keeping of the mind exactly in concentrate. But when I ask of you without camera, in that times you answer to me well, and when you are sitting in the front of the camera, just you start to take to some hesitations while I'm saying. It is not good point. Okay. Next sentence I am going to ask of you. मैं किताब पढ़ने वाली रहूंगी.
I am to read book.
Means मैं किताब पढ़ने वाली रहूंगी. I am asking of you this. Yeah.
I shall be to read book.
Okay. मुझे किताब पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
I shall have to read book.
Good. मुझे स्कूल जाना है.
I have to go school.
मैं स्कूल जाने पर हूँ.
I am to go to school.
मैं स्कूल जाने पर हूँ.
I am about to go school.
I am about to go to school. Good. वहाँ खेत है.
There is nothing but field.
Okay. यहाँ बालू ही बालू है.
Here is nothing but sand.
There is nothing but sand here. Okay.
What you say यहाँ?
But there is not matter that here is coming to already here, then I will not have to make of that to subject. Also you can make subject here what there, not here. Understanding or not? Next one again I am going to have to you. मैं पढ़ता ही रहता हूँ.
I do nothing but read.
Very good. मैं पढ़ता ही रहता हूँ. First to tell to me which you are using nothing but in this sentence. Why are you using of nothing but? Means why do you understand the meaning of nothing but?
Means I used to read.
Means I'm knowing that you have read of this nothing but in that structure.
Yeah.
Means like this sentences structures there has been written what? Subject do Dutch nothing but given plus object. But why there is used nothing but? Do you know about that meter? Nothing but means becomes केवल. What becomes? केवल. What becomes? सिर्फ. Means मैं पढ़ता ही रहता हूँ. Means what is telling me this sentence? मैं केवल पढ़ता हूँ. Understanding or no? मैं केवल पढ़ता ही रहता हूँ. Understanding? I do nothing but. Then what is the Hindi of nothing but? You understood exactly?
Yes.
Means Hindi केवल सिर्फ. Okay. Next one again I am to ask you. मैं पढ़ता ही तो हूँ.
I do read.
Do you know this sentence in which part of the sentence that is coming?
Yeah.
This is called also emphatic sentence. Okay, in modal form, in modal verb, we can read about the using of to Dutch did. Okay,
Yeah.
this is called what? Emphatic
Sentence.
sentence. Okay, again I am going to have another sort of the structures and another sort of the sentences, and about that we have to answer to me. Okay, सीता देवी सी लगती है.
Sita looks like a
Goddess.
goddess.
सीता looks like
Goddess.
goddess. मैं विद्यार्थी सा लगता हूँ.
I look like a student.
Okay, I look like a student. Great answer you are telling to me. But now I am going to discuss of any daily used words about that we have to answer to me. Okay?
Okay.
Then you tell me what is the English of kakuri.
Kakri.
Yeah.
Kakri. Kakri. A snake god.
A snake god.
A
Snake
snake
god.
god.
Okay. Why can't we say of that kakuri cucumber?
Because
Cucumber variation is other.
Yeah.
Understand or not? And kakuri variation is other. Understood?
Yes.
Great. Now I am going to ask of you again one word. What is English of bhindi?
Gumbo, ladies finger, okra.
Okay, gumbo, lettuce finger and okra we can say. Okay. Do you know English of parwal?
Parwal.
Yeah.
In
In a rural area, parwal is called what? Portal. What is called?
I know.
Yeah. In rural area, that is called what? Portal.
Pointed god.
Yeah. Great. Pointed god. Why this word has given the name of pointed god? You know? Because in both sides of that pointed god becomes like a point.
Yeah.
So our Indian people research inside of the minds what can we say about of the word of parwal. Both way it is looking what? Point. That's why our Indian people say that is pointed god. Very good. Next one again I am going to ask you what is English of jhinga.
Right god.
And also this is called also in Hindi what menua and all. There are so many Hindi words about of this jhinga which we say. Jhinga also It is called other word of any machli becomes, which is called shrimp, lobster, crayfish. Understanding? But I am not talking about of any fish. I am talking about of here vegetable, which we know from common names in our rural area, jhinga, well, jhingi. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me that. What is English of jhingi?
Chingy.
Jhingi, jhinga.
Jhinga, right cod and a smooth cod.
Red god, understanding, and also you can say that lufar, great gods,
Yeah.
serpent god, smoothing god, and silky god. Understanding or not? Okay. Also, you have good knowledge about of the words and sentences. You are perfect, but you have need to make to more and more perfectness for the answering to correct of every words of sentences. Okay. When I will ask of you in next turn, in that time you have to answer to me clearly. Okay, bluntly you have to answer to me. Go now. Now I'm going to call another student here, and today I'm going to complete of this session for discussing. But in next video, I will discuss with very details, and all of you have to answer to me very well. Okay. For till then, thank you. Bye bye. Again, I will see you in my next video.